Due to the planetary motion of the mass, the machine can melt gelatin gum and fatty acid bases to prepare gummies, suppositories, troches, and veterinary treats without the use of any external heat source. Begin by tearing a mass container and weigh out the required quantity of gelatin gum or fatty acid base. Place the protective seal, screw on the lid, and record the gross weight of the mass container. For the KK300, dial in the correct counterbalance and mix at 2000 RPM for 2 minutes. If using the KK400 or KK1000, counterbalance the first jar accordingly and set the mass at revolutions 9, rotations 9, and mix for 240 seconds. After the initial mix, the gelatin gum base is partially melted. Next, add the APIs, flavors, and all other ingredients to the mixture. Now, decrease the mixing time to 1 minute and mix again at the same speed. The result is a de-aerated and homogeneous mixture with pourable consistency, making it easy to mold into gummies or troches, suppositories, and chewable veterinary treats. This quick 3-minute mixing procedure is a lifesaver compared to the conventional 20 to 30-minute setup using a hot plate and hot water bath. Keep in mind that when working with preparations of 15% or more total API concentration, this mixture will need to be spread with a spatula. When working with polyethylene glycol, troche, or suppository bases, an initial melting step using a hot plate must be performed. Simply weigh the required amount of base in the stainless steel liner and place directly on the hot plate to melt. Next, add all the remaining ingredients, including the APIs, flavors, and other excipients to the melted base. Insert the filled stainless steel liner into the mass container and record the weight. Place into the jar holder, set the counterbalance, and mix for 1 minute at 2000 RPM in the KK300 and 60 seconds at revolutions 9 and rotations 9 in the KK400 or KK1000. The de-aerated and homogeneous preparation is now ready to be poured and molded into troches or suppositories. Welcome to the future of compounding. Please note that these are general guidelines and must be optimized for the user's compounding practice.